Welcome to the Yukon. Good morning. Another cloudy day in beautiful British Columbia. I was going to be climbing up a mountain today, but that's not going to happen. The cloud cover is right down to the ground, as you can see. So no real point in heading up any mountains. We camped last night at Canaskin Lake, so I'm going to do a quick little hike around the lake here. Then I'm going to come back, have a little hot chocolate, and then we're going to hit the road and probably make it up to the Yukon today. You always know you're the first one on the trail when you keep getting cobwebs in your face. Let's hit the road. I'll just stop for a little snack at Boya Lake Provincial Park, and you can hear the wolves howling in the background. We're about half an hour from the Yukon border, so let's go get a picture at the sign. Welcome to the Yukon. Just leaving BC and all the rain behind. Yeah, probably not. Alright, just past the Yukon BC border checkpoint. And now I'm gonna go check out Watson Lake. Possibly spend the night there. Signs from all over the world in Watson Lake. It's a huge complex. Basically a maze of signs. Of course, just as I pulled into a campground, big tree territorial park in the Yukon. It cleared up quite nicely. I've been here setting myself up and drying my gear in this covered shack with a nice wood burning stove. Been doing that for the last few hours, and I think I'm just gonna sleep here too, right next to this nice big stove. Stay warm as long as possible. Hopefully when I wake up, it won't be raining and we can get on the road and hopefully get a hike in tomorrow. Well, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.